Hello, welcome to our channel. We would like to say, you will motivate us to make more and better videos about the relationship between nutrients, medication and diseases by subscribing our channel. And, you will contribute to increase the knowledge of others by sharing them. We appreciate you in advance. In this video we will be talking about this question. Is it an amazing elixir for Alzheimer's fighting?
When Dr. Mary Newport's husband was diagnosed with early-onset Alzheimer's, she found one in coconut oil and described that it gave her a few extra good years with her husband. She introduced coconut oil as an unconventional but effective therapy for Alzheimer's treatment in her TED Talk presentation after she realized the fantastic quick effect of 7 teaspoons of coconut oil on her husband with breakfast.
Other references reported that taking 1 teaspoon of coconut oil per day can prevent Alzheimer's and cognitive impairment. There are some accurate scientific articles regarding the impact of coconut oil in improving Alzheimer's symptoms. You can find some of the references that we used in the video's description. How can coconut oil be effective in the prevention and treatment of Alzheimer's disease? Nerve cells send messages to different parts of the brain and from the brain to organs of the body and the muscles. Alzheimer's disease disrupts communication among neurons, resulting in loss of function and cell death. What causes Alzheimer's disease?
There is a relationship between cognitive decline and vascular conditions such as heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure, as well as diabetes and obesity. Environmental and lifestyle factors such as smoking, no physical activity, unhealthy diet, no social engagement, no enough and good sleep, genetics and family history. Age-related changes of brain like atrophy or shrinking of certain parts of the brain. Many molecular and cellular mechanisms play a role in happening Alzheimer's disease.
One of these mechanisms is amyloid plaques. In Alzheimer's, the beta-amyloid proteins form plaques that collect between neurons and disrupt cell function. One form, beta-amyloid 42, is especially toxic. Another mechanism is neurofibrillary tangles that collect inside neurons and block the synaptic communication between neurons. Neurofibrillary tangles are abnormal accumulations of a protein called tau.
The more beta-amyloid, the more neurofibrillary tangles which cause neuroinflammation. And neuroinflammation activates a kind of brain cells called neurotoxic A1 reactive astrocytes. A1 reactive astrocytes then produce more beta-amyloids. Furthermore, a vital nerve hormone called glutamate is at high levels in Alzheimer's patients and leads to neuroinflammation, resulting in neuronal death. The gradual accumulation of the extracellular beta-amyloid plaques and intracellular neurofibrillary tangles starts up to 17 to 20 years before a clinically observable disease.
Now, let's answer this question. How can coconut oil be effective in the prevention and treatment of Alzheimer's disease? One property makes coconut oil unique among dietary fats. What's it? Considerably, coconut oil is principally composed of 62 to 70% medium-chain triglyceride or MCT. MCTs are rapidly converted to ketone bodies like beta-hydroxybutyrate, inducing metabolic ketosis and ketogenic. Metabolic ketosis in a controlled limitation could be employed as a therapy for various brain disorders, including epilepsy and neurodegeneration. Why? The human brain primarily depends on glucose or sugar. However, when brain cells face a glucose deficiency like Alzheimer's, considered brain diabetes, ketone bodies are used extensively as an alternative energy source. And the brain can instantaneously switch from using glucose to ketones. Importantly, as we age or in some diseases like Alzheimer's, the brain can no longer use glucose efficiently and faces with lack of fuel. Lack of glucose changes glucose metabolism in astrocytes and causes an imbalance between neurotoxic A1 astrocytes and neurotrophic A2 astrocytes. This imbalance regarding higher levels of glutamate and neurotoxic A1 reactive astrocytes causes early destruction of the brain cells and their interactions. But ketone bodies produced from MTCs of coconut oil can prevent this event. If you like to get one of the best coconut oil contains 93% MCTs, click on the link in this video's description. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.